back window. Along with, I don't even think I'm going to go with a screen. I kind of look, see there's the window with a screen. Forget the frame will stay. But I kind of like it without. So I might have one with and one without, depends. Floor is coming out. All of this floor is getting yanked out of here. This is crap. But it's not bad, right? I mean, the bones are here. Looking down the galley, you can kind of see all the way down to the galley where, you know, you have, I mean, it is quite large, quite spacious. I plan on having a workstation here, so that you can sit here and have your computer sort of right where this window is, and then two speakers, one on either side, whether they're mounted on here or not. They have speakers here, but that's just for the house rig. The Airstream thing itself seemed to work. This, of course, I think is fucking genius. Cassette player, can't fucking believe that. That's unbelievable. But the way I'm thinking of it is having a work station, so that way you can sit right here, and there'll be a sort of couch that comes out from here and comes all the way to like here, and you can, and then it's broken down. There'll be like a bench seat here and a table that you can bring up here and actually sit here and eat, right, and watch TV, because the TV will be on the monitor that the computer's at, and that of course will be able to slide down into the behind what is another couch. So the couch itself, you'll have I'm thinking, you know, because I believe what was here was a table. I don't think I want a table there right next to the door. I don't like that. I think possibly what'll happen is this couch is kind of like a yacht couch, where it starts here and goes around and then stops there. So it's a couch that kind of, you know, goes, let me see if I can get this. So it kind of goes like this and then there. See, there's a couch, right? With a back. And then the couch has an optional continuation to come around. And then that continuation comes around here, but stops right about here, where that window is. And then there's an optional table, so another seat here that matches the couch. So your cushions, you can make this one couch that goes all the way around if you want. So you can do that, or you can have a separate table. You can have your workbench. So here there's going to be a mechanism that will enable you to basically choose. Look at this. Look, extra large vacuum bags. Must be for the weed. Oh my god. Look at these vacuum bags. Oh my god. Wow, vacuum sealer. Look at that for your meat. What is this? Oh my god, a brand new vacuum sealer in the box. What is that? That is incredible. Look at that. Brand new vacuum sealer in the box with bags. That is crazy. Anyway, so this I can see where, you know, this piece is not necessary. This section right here. So this will be cut out. So this will be optional, you know. So I think that's my batteries. Yeah. So your batteries are going there and there. This must be some kind of wow. Some kind of generator, I think. Looks like a fucking, it's a fuse box. Okay, I get it, I understand. Interesting. All right, so here's how it looks if you're sitting on the couch and you're sitting here. there'll be some kind of TV there, right? There'll be the work TV behind me, which is your monitor for your computer. So you can basically be watching 2 TVs. And in the bedroom, there'll be a third TV right to the left. So when you're walking into the bedroom, you'll be walking down like this. There'll be a bed here and a bed here, or the optional double connecting the 2 beds with another piece of custom upholstery mattress. And he told me there's a guy that'll make a mattress for him for $250. That is a custom whole thing here. So I'm going to have it done in 3 sections, 1, 2 for the middle, and then 3. So you can have 2 people sleeping separately, or if you just want an incredible large bed, the whole thing back here is going to be the bed. So if you're lying here, and you're because I like lying like this and then looking down the galley. You could look down the galley and see what's going on the computer. Somebody's down there working, or you can look over here where this electrical outlet is and watch TV. I like these little side table things that they have here. I'm thinking about something very, very simple for here. So